1996 Chevy Impala. She got a brand new set of 22-inch Culture Classic reps. She can be purchased with or without the wheels, guys. She has a little over 11,000 miles. What I call driver quality paint. My opinion, she's a solid 7. She has a few imperfections and blemishes that can more than likely be buffed out. This one you can just get in and drive as is, guys. AC blow snowballs. She got the 5.7 liter LT1, backed by a 4-speed automatic. Driver side frame and floor pans. Passenger side. As y'all can see, she's very solid. Deck lid is in excellent shape. She still has the factory RPO code sticker. I'm gonna get in there and pause it so y'all guys can check it out. I like dissecting those RPO codes, especially on G-bodies. You can have a 1-to-1 just how it was an option, even though it's a high production numbers. Trunk is in excellent condition, nice and clean. Very beautiful. Interior's in excellent condition. She got power windows, power locks, bucket seats, And the console that everybody wants. Headliner good. Lower dash. Upper dash. Excellent condition, guys. Back seats are in excellent condition. No rips, tears, or stains. Package tray is in excellent condition. Engine bay is nice and clean. She got the 350 cubic inch, 5.7 liter V8 backed by a 4-speed automatic, power brakes, power steering, AC, cruise control, all the creature comforts. Let's start her up. Fire right up. As y'all can see, she read us a little over 11,000 miles. AC blowing cold. She running good, guys. All the contact information in the description below. We have financing available. This is how you want to buy your classic, guys. Don't miss out. Y'all have a good one.